script from ChatGPT, paste it into ElevenLabs, generate the voiceover, and download the audio file. Now that your voiceover is ready, the next step is visuals, but before generating scenes, we need to create our main character. This character will appear consistently across all videos. Use this character generation prompt, and once again, replace the name Zach with the same character name you used in your script. If the names don't match, your scene images won't be consistent. Copy the full prompt and paste it into Gemini using Nano Banana Pro. Gemini will generate a clean, high-quality character image for you. If you don't have free access to Nano Banana Pro, I've shared a separate video where I explain a secret method to use it 100% free without paying anything. Once your character is generated, we move to the most important step, creating images and videos for every scene in your script. For this step, you'll use this single prompt. All you need to do is add your script into the script placeholder provided at the end of this prompt. Simply copy the full prompt. Go to ChatGPT, paste it. Now, before you copy your script, there's one important rule you must follow. Never paste the entire script at once. For best results, copy only 30 to 40 lines of script at a time. Once the first 30 to 40 lines are done, come back and copy the next 30 to 40 lines. This keeps the output clean, detailed, and scene accurate. So I'm copying the first 40 lines of my script, pasting them into the script placeholder, and hitting send. Within seconds, ChatGPT generates a complete scene-by-scene breakdown. For every scene, it gives you the exact script line, a detailed image prompt, and a matching video prompt. This script makes the editing process incredibly easy because you always know which visual belongs to which voiceover line. Now that we have the prompts, let's generate visuals. Take the image prompt for scene 1, go back to the same Gemini chat where you created your character, paste the prompt, and hit generate. And just like that, your first scene image is ready, featuring your main character. Now let's turn this image into a video completely free. For this, visit Grok Imagine. The link is in the description. Grok allows free image to video generation. There is a daily limit, but that's not a problem. Once you hit the limit, you can simply use a temporary email service to create another account and continue generating videos for free. Upload the image for scene 1, copy the video prompt for scene 1, paste it into Grok, and hit send. Within a few seconds, your video clip for scene 1 is ready. You repeat the exact same workflow for every scene. Copy the next image prompt, generate the image in Gemini, upload it to Grok, paste the video prompt, generate the video clip. Using this exact process, I've generated video clips for all the scenes in this video. And now we move to the final step, editing. Now, before we move into editing, there's one small issue you might face. After generating many images, your Gemini chat may become heavy and start lagging. If that happens, don't worry. Simply download your generated character image, open a new Gemini chat, upload your character image, then paste this prompt. And make sure you replace Zach with your own character name. This resets the context and allows you to continue generating images and videos smoothly. This simple trick will save you a lot of time. Now, let's move to editing. Open your favorite video editor. First, import the voiceover file, drag it onto the timeline. Next, we need to remove silent spaces from the voiceover. You can do this manually, but if you're using Filmora, there's a much faster way. Simply click on this option, use the exact settings you're seeing on the screen, click Analyze, then click Finish and Replace. And just like that, all silent gaps are removed. Now your voiceover will be clean and professional. Next, import all your video clips, place them on the timeline in the correct order. Adjust each clip so it syncs perfectly with the voiceover. Now you'll notice something. These video clips already contain background sound and noise. We don't need that. Select all video clips at once and reduce their volume to -20 decibels. Now let's add transitions. For most clips, use the push right transition, drag it between clips, set the duration to 13 frames if you're using Filmora, 0.5 seconds if you're using CapCut. I've added push right transitions to all the larger clips. Now, transitions need sound, otherwise they feel dead. Whenever you use push right, add a click sound effect with it. Next, for longer clips, use the flash transition and keep the same duration as before. With flash transitions, use the short whoosh sound effect and increase its speed to 1.4 times. Once all transitions and sound effects are placed, select all sound effects on the timeline and reduce their volume to -8 decibels. In some scenes, you'll see chat bubbles like this. For those moments, add the bubble pop sound effect. You can also add automatic captions if you want. Go to titles, then AI captions, then dynamic captions. For this video, I'm skipping captions. Using these exact editing steps, you can edit the full video smoothly and efficiently. Once everything looks good, export the video, and bingo, your video is ready. Let's preview it.
How many times have you said this exact sentence in your head? Tomorrow, I'll finally fix my routine. You've said it after a bad day. You've said it before exams. You've said it on Sunday night lying in bed, phone in your hand, staring at the ceiling. And when you say it, you really mean it. You imagine it clearly. Tomorrow you'll wake up early. Tomorrow you won't waste time. Tomorrow you'll study properly. Tomorrow you'll finally feel in control.
I've shared the full 14-minute final video link in the description below. Now that the video is ready, the next critical step is uploading it correctly. But before we move into the correct upload method, if you've watched till here, please support this video by hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now let's move to the uploading secrets. The first and most important thing during upload is the thumbnail. For that, you don't need design skills. Simply use this magical prompt in ChatGPT. Replace the topic placeholder with your video topic, and bingo. ChatGPT will generate a viral thumbnail concept with a clean 3-panel vertical structure. This structure visually tells a story, problem, confusion, solution. It's extremely easy to understand at a quick scroll, which is critical for mobile-first click-through rate. The bold wrong routine, text contrast, red versus white, sketch-style visuals, and bottom placement creates a strong emotional trigger without clutter. This drives curiosity and fast clicks. Next comes the video titles, another critical element. Again, simply use this prompt in ChatGPT. Replace the topic placeholder, and ChatGPT will generate a viral yet SEO optimized title designed to help even your very first video get views. Next is the video description. Use this prompt. Replace the topic with your video topic, and ChatGPT will generate a viral SEO optimized description with the exact structure YouTube's algorithm prefers. It also includes optimized hashtags, a ready-to-use pinned comment, and even a caption for your community post. Now, let's talk about video tags. Tags are especially important for a new channel. They help YouTube understand who this video should be recommended to. I've created a magical prompt template for this as well. Just replace the topic placeholder, and ChatGPT will generate the best possible tags to help your video reach the right audience. Once everything is ready for upload, here are 2 bonus tips you should not skip. First, use your exact video title as the final video file name, and do the same for your thumbnail file name. YouTube reads file names, and this helps it better understand what your video is about. Second, upload timing. If you're targeting USA, UK, and Canada traffic, you should upload between 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is the sweet spot for USA-based channels, and the best days to upload are Sunday and Monday. If you've watched till here, hit the like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel, leave your feedback in the comments below, and share this video with someone you truly care about, because this one video can genuinely change their life. All the steps and prompt workflows are currently exclusive to members, but once this video reaches just 200 likes in the next 6 hours, I'll make everything public for everyone. That's a very small target, and if you want to learn how to create long AI cartoon videos using free AI tools, you cannot afford to miss the video linked above. See you inside that tutorial.